Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Outlook. First, log into your Outlook account. Then in here, if you click on this new button, you will see that there's no option for task. This is because they are integrated now in Microsoft To Do. Now to access it, on the left panel, go to Microsoft To Do, and as you can see, it is still under Outlook. Now to assign a task, you need first to create a list, so click on New List on the left panel. Now type in a name for it. Once done, it's time to add your task. So add in as much as you'd like. Now, if you go click on one task, on the right panel, you will see that there's no option to assign it. So first, you need to share it. So click the share button, then create an invitation link. Here, you can invite via email or copy the link. Now I will copy it. Then, if the other person paste it on their browser and access it, they have an option to sign in to join. Now, just go and join the list and open it. And as you can see, they are now under the list you created. So when you go to your own account, then click on one task, you will now have an option to assign it to others. So click on it, then select a member for that task. You can also do that to other tasks. And that's just basically it. That's how you assign tasks in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.